morning, happy new year. It is 2025. I'm at Blacktoft Sands today. I meant to come here last year to show you what this place was like, but every time I tried to come last year it was shut because of flooding. They have tidal floods here, so I never got a chance to come last year. But it's really cold today, so I've got a feeling I'm going to struggle with a cold. But let's go and see what we see today at Blacktoft Sands. So I'm still in the first hide. It looks really quiet, but I've had such a lucky day. I've had bearded tits, I've had marsh harriers, I've had pinkfootedgeese goose, and then totally unexpectedly a kingfisher literally just come and landed right in front of me in this hide, looked directly at me and then flew off. I was like, wow, that was amazing. I really want to go down to the third hide and show you. It's one of my favourite hides that I spend time in, but I've just been so lucky here, and it looks so quiet. That's the bit I can't get over, is how quiet it looks. And I've seen so much, but I'm gonna have to go down there because I want to see if there's any wading birds kicking about, and I want to go the opposite side later on. Sorry, I think the bearded reedlings are back. So I'm going to see if these are the bearded tits, and then I'm going to go the other side. So I will speak to you in a bit. So I'm back in the first hide. I went down to Townend and Singleton, There wasn't really much kicking about town end. I don't know, something just didn't feel right there, so I carried on down to Singleton. I got a whooperswan. I got snipe as well, which was quite cool. But I've come back down to first hide again now. Even though there's nothing to see when you first come in this one, I don't know, I've enjoyed being in this hide. I think it's because nobody's staying in. They're coming in, seeing it's empty and going. Where I've had pinkfootedgeese, I've had the kingfisher, I've had bearded tits, I've had really good marsh harriers. Sometimes it is just about sitting and waiting and seeing what you see. I am back in the car and as normal I have got my coffee. It's needed today. I've had to call it. I've just got far too cold. I mean the sun is just setting as well, so I haven't really called it that much earlier. I would like to have seen if we got a good sunset, but there wasn't really stuff kicking about for where the sun would set, so it just kind of felt a bit pointless. I might as well have that extra quarter of an hour on the road. But wow, what a day. I've started off with the bearded tits. Like, I couldn't believe that. Then the kingfisher, then the marsh harriers. I mean, the marsh harriers are always amazing here, but I don't know, they felt really good today. It's just been really good. I've had snipe, I've had pinkfootedgeese, I've had whooperswans. It's just been fab. I kind of regret not coming here as often, although I remember how uncomfy the seats are in them hides. If you come and bring a pillow, that's what I would recommend. That's what I'm going to do next time. But I say, it's been a really good day. I'm hoping to try somewhere new for my next video. It just depends what the weather's like. We're supposed to be on a snow warning, so I don't know if I would be able to get there if it's been snowing. So if not, I'll find somewhere else to go. And I will leave you some pictures I got today. I did feel like I got some good ones, especially the marsh harriers and the kingfisher when she looked straight at me. But I will leave you the photos and I will see you for my next video. See you soon.